Success Stories. This is an episode where we'll be talking with Thirukumaran Tyagarajan. Hello, Thirukumaran, and welcome to Success Stories.
Hello, sir. Thank you for this opportunity.
Yes, so we are happy that you're here. So, Success Stories is a series which we do on YouTube where our audience get inspired by Excel Academy students who have passed the CS exams in different levels. And joining us today is Thirukumaran, who is working with the Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. He's already a qualified CMA and still he wants to be a company secretary. And we will learn what inspired him to take CS and what were the struggles and how he succeeded to pass CS executive. So, Thirukumaran, why did you take CS after being CMA? Why did you think of taking CS?
Sir, thing is like we are dealing with some of the court cases that
Okay,
in NCLT, Inbharat filed a case against Tangentco in NCLT of
okay,
IBC under IBC Act. So
yes,
we have dealt with some of the lawyers over there who are CS qualified
okay,
with LLB, so they can able to uh, what to say they performed the I have seen their performance over there. They can able to do things in different way because I have met many other peoples, but the persons who qualified with CS have given their best in that law firms. So
okay. That is really nice
that's
to know because many students will not be with the background of working. So you're working with the government of Tamil Nadu in the electricity board. Then you also were practically, you had the exposure for the case at NCLT, and that practical experience inspired you to take the CS course. Is that
yes,
right?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. You were saying something else. I cut you short.
No, sir. The people's, some of the people were doing CS by the persons who are assistant to that advocate general, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Okay.
discussing with them, I come across this course and I inspired towards it and just need to complete and
Okay.
make me as a company secretary.
Great. See, I am sure it is not very easy, along with a full time job,
So,
doing the new company secretary course. So, what were some of the struggles which you faced? Because we are talking with some other students, somebody is from a village, and somebody is a full time student, somebody is housewife, like that, different background. But each one has different problems. What were the problems which you faced as a working professional?
okay, sir. I'll just give you a simple introduction about my family.
Yes.
In 2005, I passed out my MCOM.
Okay.
After that, at that time, I can't able to take any professional course due to some financial constraint, something.
Okay.
After that, I started working. Now I got an opportunity after getting married and have two children, but still, I just need to qualify myself as a profession. So,
Okay.
in Tangentco, CMA and chartered accountants are one and the same. Like
Okay.
there as one and the same. For the promotion, I studied there, sir.
Okay.
After completing that, I got promoted as assistant accounts officer. After that, while dealing with the court cases, as said earlier, I just get an inspiration from the peoples there and took CSSF. Just took the course CS.
Okay.
After that, I just need to develop myself. I haven't found any institute or something like that. At that time, I come across in YouTube about your advertisement, how to score 60 plus in law.
Correct.
It was happened in the month of in the year 2019, sir.
Yes, I had come to Chennai. Correct.
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir. At that,
Yeah.
you have given many information about this, sir. Because learning is a art. You just taught me many things like mind mapping, Pomodoro technique, and some of the techniques how to remember yourself.
Correct.
And even you have given what are all the diet you need to take at the time of examination, how to uh, how to take care of yourself, how to
Yes.
take time, at what time you need to take rest, at what time you need to learn. Uh, so many of the tips were I can able to realize in my real life, sir.
Okay.
And I took company law and economic commercial law papers in your online classes, sir.
Okay.
And I come across that everything was taught in a clear way, and every concept was explained by you, because I took both the things which are taken by yourself, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And you are student friendly, and you have given many information. I saw you tensed only at the time when someone asked you any shortcuts, like important questions, something like that. Other than
Correct.
that, you have not got tensed or something like that. I can able to
Correct. Correct.
see the perfection how you expect, and
Great.
expects the same thing, and even you say it in the better way, and how the person should make them to clear the examination of CS executive or a CS profession. You have many techniques, sir.
No, that is nice to know that how you came to Excel and how we were of great help to you.
Okay.
Further, what I want to ask is, what were some of the subjects which you found difficult and how did you cope up with it? Because, like you told, you are married, you have two kids, you are going for a full-time office job.
Yes,
It's
sir.
not easy to study a professional course like CS. So, how did
Okay.
you deal with that subjects?
Sir, deal with the subject. Whenever I found time, I will just look into your lectures. After that, I will in many of the cases that mind mapping charts were released by user, so
Correct.
that things were helped me to learn easily. At the same time, you told that you need to write more in order to memorize yourself. So
Correct.
I followed some of the techniques which helped me a lot in towards making this happen, sir.
Okay. So in executive, did you take multiple attempts or how was the thing? Because many students want to ask about that.
So module 2, see, as I completed my CMA, I got 3 exemptions, sir.
Yeah.
Was in old syllabus, so 7 papers out of 7, I got 3 exemption.
Okay.
One, company law and economic and commercial law. In module 2, ICGL and securities.
Securities laws. Yeah.
I have cleared in single attempt module 2, sir. I have cleared
Okay.
module 2 in single attempt, but it took a single one attempt to make module 1.
Okay.
I took your online class and followed it in a better way. And at that time, while writing examination, I felt very confident that I can able to clear this time, and cleared it, sir.
That's nice to know. See, one more thing which I want to ask you is, we get many queries from people who are working. It can be men or women, but especially people who are working, especially the man has responsibility of the family, and they tell, "Sir, I'm not able to study because I have job or because I'm married," or some people say, "I have kids." But despite that, you did it. So for people like that, what is your suggestion? Because you're married, you have kids, and you're going for full-time job, and it is not some small job, and still you did it. For those people, what is your message?
My message partner should be a better one, sir. Everything. If she can't able to do anything, she will just give me. Otherwise, she will take care of everything. Like
Okay.
even my children's. My child, second child is just 3 years, sir.
Okay.
He will not sit in one place, but still she manage herself, and she will make me what to say. There will be no stress in handling the family, sir.
Okay.
Time of examination, she will move to her native place
Okay.
near Tiruvallur
Okay.
with the childrens, so I can able to
Concentrate 100%.
20 days on the examinations. So
So a great family
I can able
support
to do
is
so.
what is also helping you apart from the coaching, and that is all there. But the family support is really great to know.
Yes, sir.
That That is really amazing.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So, when you wrote the answers in the exam, is
Yes,
there
sir.
any tips which you want to tell? Because many people say that how you write is very, very crucial. So,
Yes, sir.
what were some of the tips which you followed when you wrote the answers?
So simple. There is no any tips like watching your videos. Even you take it in a point form. In that way, you can make note of it every points. And if you study for 2 or 3 times and just keep writing for more than 5 times or 6 times, it is just getting memorized inside, and I can able to write exams as you told in online classes. So that was
Okay.
uh,
That is really nice to know, because when we just do the online classes, we might not have met the people, but the feedback which you're giving is actually quite encouraging, that online classes was sufficient for you to not only do well but clear the exams. That is really nice to know. So why did you choose Excel Academy? There are so many options, especially you coming from Chennai. What made you choose Excel Academy, and what did you find different with Excel?
so first thing, you will give student friendly environment. See, like if I am speaking with you, I will not have a feel like you are a lecturer, so fear something like that.
Correct.
To speak with you very fluently, or as a friend I can deal with you. So that's the thing which need to be, sir. At the same time, you are taking your own time for creating timetable schedule, how to score marks, and how to deal with the examinations. You are and even that point, one point inspired me, sir. Like 3 hours examination is not important. Like you need to prepare for the 3 hours examination.
Yes.
That's the key point which I inspired in that class.
Okay. Okay.
These are all many things I have come across from your institute. At
Great.
the same time, you have some inspirational episodes like the world of company secretaries.
Correct.
Come
Correct.
across some of the stories like Sujay Menon, Sundarisharan sir,
Mm.
and some of the persons. I have come across 4 episodes, and
Mm.
keep inspiring me to do profession, and need to complete it soon. So
Great. So now, how are you confident with CS professional now that you finished executive?
yes, sir.
The major hurdle is completed. Professional,
Yes,
how are you feeling?
sir. I am confident that I can able to clear, and I already registered for CS profession in your institute, sir.
Oh, okay. That is nice to know.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
Great. Wonderful. So we really liked your story, that it is not easy, especially going for full-time job and having a family
Yes,
with
sir.
kids, and
Yes, sir.
also studying and passing exam is really great, because now I am working, and if I feel I want to do some course, it is such a big challenge. If I have to put myself in your shoes, it's
Okay.
really hard, like with my practice and teaching and Excel and all that. I really can't think of doing some course, but you have done it and achieved it. So that's really great. And I'm sure your story will be inspiring for everyone else who's stopping themselves. They are telling, reason is I'm married, I can't study. I have children, I can't study. I have going for a full-time job, I can't study. But you had all those challenges and still you overcame that and you cleared. That, I'm sure, will inspire many people like you who are there, who want to do a professional course. So we
Thank you.
really wish you the very best. Do you want to share any message or last words for the students who are watching it? They may be working or full-time students.
Uh, Nothing there, sir. Like if you what to say, you should not find any excuses. You just
Ah,
hit at the goal, and actions speak louder than words.
great, wonderful. So that was Thirukumaran, who, despite having a full-time job with the Tamil Nadu government and being married with 2 kids, completed CS Executive. Of course, he took the CS Executive video classes from Excel Academy, but more than that, it was his hard work and dedication, despite all the other challenges, which made him pass the CS Executive. So we wish Thirukumaran the very best for CS Professional. As he told, he's already joined the video coaching classes for professional. I'm sure we'll support you 100% with that. Please keep in touch with us. And for all our audience, please tune into our success stories like this. We'll bring many more success stories, people from different backgrounds. Somebody is having financial background, somebody is having family and job, somebody is having like a married women with kids. Like the different people we are bringing, which will tell their success story, which will inspire you to do well. Make sure you share it and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and don't forget to tune into the next episode of Success Stories. I'll see you there.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.